What is up, guys? Today we are going to pick up my race truck. So we have our truck right here, and we're just Where's my trailer? Great. So now I just figured out that someone stole my trailer. Great. That's just great. Wow. Now I have to pick up another one. That's just so great. Yay. That's just so fun, isn't it? That guy's having some issues. I hate this food. Hey, yo, mate. I need another trailer because someone stole mine. I know. Yes, someone stole my trailer. I know that, right? That's so crazy. So, there's a trailer out there for me? Alright, 1 second. Okay. He did connect it for me. Thank y'all, sir. I hate that. But it has to be done. What's that? Okay. Stop for the stop sign. Great. Forgot to do my signals, but whatever. There's no one even here anyway, so. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Why are we even going back home, bro? I'm literally supposed to pick up my truck, my race truck, bro. Should be down here somewhere. Oh no. No! Are you serious? Oh, what? Levitation. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. 1 second. Let me just fix this. So, guys, we couldn't actually get the car and the trailer out, so we have to get a new one. And yeah, I lost my car. Going to buy a new one soon, but yeah. For now, we have this trailer. So, yeah. Shame, but what we gotta do, brother. It always happens to us eventually. And I'm actually going to customize this because I don't really like it. Ooh, what did I just hit? Nothing. Oh, that was my trailer that hit something. Run. Okay, guys, I will be, real quick, I'll just customize my, truck, and then I'll meet you guys after. Okay, guys, I have customized my truck, so, brother. I might head down to my grandma's place real quick, because that's where the truck is. Then we can customize the truck to actually make it a race truck. So let's just go. That is it. She owns a farm, so this is her place. Where did I just hit again? Bro, can my trailer stop being so long and stop doing that, brother? She wouldn't mind. She already knows about the disperser. So. Okay, bang. Okay. It should be right behind that shed right there. I don't know why it's not inside, but I just cut the video and she said it should be right behind there. So I will walk right there. Okay, let's walk. Did she lie to me? Nope, she didn't. Why is the tailgate open? Oh, that's the fancy step too? Dang. Place that back. The tailgate back up. Oh, it has the steps too. Okay, go into the pickup. And let's just go. Oh my god. I cannot see because the glass is not transparent transparent like mine, so I cannot even see. Okay. Yeah, get up truck. Nope, don't go like that. No, that's bad. Okay, it's on. My truck is on. Yes. Now I just need to connect this back on. Thank you, Grandma. Now, is this connected? Yep, it is. Okay. Let's go. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Oh my god, come on. No, don't hit the hay bales. Come on. Trailer can make it, yes. Turn this. Oh, yes, we got the truck on. Let's go. Now we just have to head to my friend's workshop and then we can customize it. Oh, I missed my friend's workshop, bro. Oh my god. Go this way. Hello, car wash. I do not need you right now. I am trying to customize this. We might need you later though. We might go off-roading or racing with this truck. So disconnect this. Drive away. Bang. Okay. Now. Oh dang! Bro's reckless. God damn, bro. How do I get into it? There we go. Okay. Before we do anything, I'm changing the windows, bro. Oh my god, bro. I needed that. Now we can actually see. Suspension. Yep. Suspension. Boing, boing, boing. Oh, it kind of jumps. Not gonna lie. No, watch this. Boing, 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 boing. Okay, let's stop playing around. Okay, so the front, the back wants to be very high. Well, not that high, like that. Then the back wants to be like low, like that. The chamber, I'll just leave it like that. And then spring force, yeah. So then we want to go to wheels. No, we just did that. Wait, did we do wheels or suspension? No, we did suspension. Yeah. The back wants to be very big, and the front wants to be like a little bit smaller. And the width, you can customize that. I'm just making it fully big. And the offset, I'll just do that. Change the body to that too. And yeah, I think it's ready. I just need to color it. I'm just gonna do random. Oop, not that. Yeah. Purplish blue? Nah. Bam. Did I just get the same thing, Bart? Again? Bam. I'll take that. Might as well. And this is your truck. This one, okay? Go back and go to exhaust and make that 0 so it can show you the steam. That, and then you want to go to here, and I'm gonna open these ones. These ones are my personal favorite. Now you can rev, and it does that. Maybe pick a different one, maybe, cause I'm gonna just pick a different one. Attachments. I'm gonna do. How does this one look? Okay, yeah, I'll take that one. There we go. Now we have our truck. Race truck. Don't damage my other truck, please. We're just going to put this onto the trailer real quick. Bang. Okay. Then we want to go to semi, and we want to put this back up, and we're going to go home. Sadly, I cannot do any off-roading or races with this, but next video I probably will, or maybe, maybe. Drive it up here. It's stuck. Are you serious? Don't get stuck on me now, please. No, please, please, please. Stop it. No, bro. Bravo. Okay. Maybe now it will work. now will it work? Yes. Okay. We can get it back on. I'll leave my semi truck out here tonight, and I'll just put this truck in here. Okay, I'll be right back while I put this truck away. Okay, we have put it away. I'm probably going to fix this in the morning. So yeah, or I can maybe fix it now if I can. Is it? No, I think it was just stuck because the car was on it. Bang. Okay, yeah. You'll just leave it like that. Okay. Hello, neighbor. Okay. Bang. Thank y'all for watching. I will probably do another video for the truck. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep now.